boys and girls, welcome to Storytime with Mrs. Cole. Please subscribe so you always get the next Read Aloud. Our story today is by Robert Munsch. It's called More Pies. Do you like pies? Let's see what happens in this book. Samuel woke up really hungry. He went downstairs and ate a bowl of cereal. Chugga 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 chomp. Then he said, "Mom, can I please have some more?" "Yes," his mom said. "You are a growing boy and you need to eat." So Samuel's mom gave him another bowl of cereal, 2 milkshakes, and a stack of pancakes. Samuel ate it all really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. Then Samuel said, "I'm still hungry. Could I please have some more?" "Yes," his mom said, "but I think this will be enough." So Samuel's mom got out a really big salad bowl, filled it with cereal, and gave him 2 milkshakes, 3 stacks of pancakes, and a fried chicken. Samuel ate it all really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. Then Samuel said, "I am still really hungry. Can I please have 7 fried chickens?" "7 fried chickens?" yelled his mom. "Enough is enough. Nothing more to eat until lunch. Go out and play." Samuel went outside and rolled around in the grass, yelling, "Starving, starving, help, I'm starving." Samuel's little brother came running outside. He said, "Samuel, if you're so hungry, why don't you go down to the pie eating contest? There's one at the park and the fair." So Samuel got on the bus and went to the park. Samuel walked right into the middle of the pie eating contest and said, "Give me pies." A judge looked at Samuel and said, "You are just a little kid. Go home." A fireman, a lumberjack, and a construction worker were sitting at a long table. The construction worker said, "It won't hurt to let this little kid eat a pie." So Samuel sat on a chair and the judge gave everyone 1 blueberry pie. The judge yelled, "1, 2, 3, eat!" And they all ate their pies really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. Then, when they were done, the lumberjack said, "Oh, my tummy hurts." And he turned purple and fell under the table. The judge said, "Samuel, that was excellent eating, but surely you're done. You're just a little kid." Samuel said, "I'm not starving anymore, but more pie still sounds like a good idea." So the judge gave everybody 2 peach pies. He yelled, "1, 2, 3, eat!" And they all ate their pies really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. When they were done, the fireman said, "Oh, my tummy hurts." And he turned green and fell under the table. The judge said, "I don't believe this." He gave Samuel and the construction worker each 3 cherry pies. He yelled, "1, 2, 3, eat!" And they ate their pies really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. When they were done, the construction worker said, "Oh, my tummy hurts." And he turned blue and fell under the table. "Amazing," said the judge. "Samuel wins first prize. Samuel wins the prize pie." Samuel took his prize pie and got on the bus and went back home. When he walked into the kitchen, his mom said, "Samuel, I know you were really hungry, so I made you pies for lunch." "Pies?" said Samuel. "Oh, my tummy hurts." He turned green and fell under the table. But Samuel's little brother said, "Yum! Pies!" And he ate the pies really fast. Chugga 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 chomp. The end. There's our story today, boys and girls. More pies. Do you like pies? What's your favorite kind of pie? Let's talk about it when we see each other. See you soon.